Welcome. This episode we'll be assembling SA205, one of the steering arms for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get assembling. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be doing assembly SA205 for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon, one of those front steering rod arms. So I open up assembly MMGS. I'd show origins is going to be 221. Put that one in. I can go there. Turn that off. Now we want both that one and that one. So one's going to be one end, one's going to be the other end, and that's it. Okay, so we want actually flip this around. Do it in a minute. Right now, let's just actually it's going to be one of these sides, and one of these sides is going to be parallel. That's good. Parallel's fine. If we flip one, it's got to turn the other. That's what we want this one. We want parallel this time. Okay, so now we want going to there. We want circle there. Circle there. Beautiful. We want circle there. Circle there. But we want to flip that. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. So, okay, that. Let me go back into that one. See, now if we turn that, one turns, the other one turns. But we need to set up a distance between the two. So first off, let's just pull that one out. Let's mate this one up with there to there. That way it locks that one in. So turn one, turn the other. But one's got to be a certain way. We'll worry about that in a minute. But right now, let's pull that one out. We're going to go distance. That point there to that point there. Beautiful. Let's go to let's get out there. Let's go to front plane, normal 2. Actually no, sorry. Top plane. And that's actually correct. Okay, so we actually, can this be done? We made top plane with that one. Oh, we can. Okay, perfect. Because this has to be in line with that, so you can actually make top plane, which makes sense. I never saw that before. See, now it won't rotate because it's made to the plane. And that is that piece done. That's, oh sorry, that's assembly done. So that's assembly SA205 done. The next one we will be putting these parts on. It's going to be assembly SA206. We're going to be adding these parts to the chassis. So if you enjoyed the episode, click the like button, subscribe, comment if you did. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode, and remember, thank you very much.